know that many of us out there have been getting fearful and worried. Is AI going to take my job? Am I even going to have purpose or meaning anymore in my life because a machine can do something better than I can do it? I just want to remind you of some ways that AI will never be able to match humanity. And the first one is intuition. AI can never do this for you. Being divinely guided, exactly what you need to know when you need to know it. When you're aligned to your higher self, to the divine mind, to source, whatever you want to call it, you have this conviction and this knowing that could never be duplicated or replicated or generated from something artificial. And this is the most powerful superpower that you could and you should lean into now, so as to not be concerned about whatever else is going on in the world around you. And another thing is creative inspiration. So although AI is an incredible tool that can create, what are you going to create with it? Are you going to create what you're told to create by others? Or are you going to be inspirito, in spirit? Inspiration is whenever you have the divine mind flowing through you, the imagination, the possibilities to connect and create something in alignment with the divine. That is creative inspiration. And another one, maybe a bit unexpected, is sexual connection, not just the carnal sexual sensation. I'm aware that sex robots, AI for pleasure, these things are going to happen at some point, but that's still carnal. That's just physical sensory input. And whenever you deeply are connected and you're experiencing that kundalini energy, the shakti, the shiva, the connection of the masculine and the feminine, and you have that depth of connection with spirit, and energetically you experience energy orgasms, and you have feelings that are simply not possible to duplicate with technology, even if it's highly advanced and humanoid. So just a quick reminder that you are powerful, you are meaningful, you are purposeful, and there are things that AI can't do better than you.